Hi, today I received the Toothsi impression kit through delivery courier. I ordered this impression kit some a week before. Later, I got no update from Toothsi, but I even did not receive any shipping details. Also, I was making continuous inquiry with the Toothsi about the impression kit, but later, finally today I got a call from delivery courier where they said I have a product from Tutsi. Uh, then when I came to know that the Tutsi has already sent my impression kit without any prior information. That's okay. And here we have the Tutsi kit with us. It came like a box, square type box, as you can see here. The box looks so premium. So now I already opened it for your sake. I open it again. I'm opening it. At the, at the back of the front cover, we have a plastic mirror to take the impression by own using this kit without any mirror. See as you can see, we have a mirror here. And that's an excellent thing as far as we can see. So opening the box, we have the impression guide for us, the step-by-step guide on how to use the Tutsi kit, how we can place the tray, how the putty should be mixed. Everything is there inside this impression guide, and we will see it later. And here we have a cheek holding tool. I already opened it, so the tool is already inside. Let's see it. And there are some advertisements here of how people got cleared of malocclusions. Here I have a declaration form from the impression kit where you have to fill your name, your address, and some of the questions are asked. You have to uh, uh, you have to answer it like case history, and we have some declaration form with it. And opening the tray, we have a tissue paper to wipe off the saliva when it comes out. When using the tray, it is said to be we'll have some saliva coming out, so that tissue paper can be used to wipe it. We have a pair of gloves, cheek holding tool, which we already opened. It is to keep in your mouth, to make your mouth wide open, take pictures of it from different angle, which is prescribed in the impression kit. You have to keep it in your mouth and take photos from different angles as mentioned in the impression kit. And we have trays. We have some 3 pair of trays, I think. So only one pair of tray should be sent. It is mentioned L for lower jaw, and we have U mentioned which should be used for the upper part. And all three should be sent to the Tushi. Only one pair should be sent where the impressions are taken clearly. We have some putty boxes here. It's a box type putties. So A is a putty, and B, I think B is the hardener. So these two has to be mixed together to make a hot paste, and should be placed inside this tray, and you have to keep that in your mouth, take the impression out, and once it is hot you have to pack it and send it back to the tin. There is a step-by-step guide in the impression kit. You can follow it and take the impression. You should not take any bad impression, so there are several steps to make sure the impression is good. Here we have some 4 sets of putty here. All we need is just 2 sets. Other 2 is for trial, so you can skip it, or either you try at first and later you make a good impression and send it to the Toothsi thing. If you make any mistake here, it will spoil your 3D braces. So make sure you take a good impression. And as I did not receive any call from Toothsi, was planning to take the impression by myself, but later I decided to call the Toothsi in the given number in the website, and I got connected to the doctor, where he said he's arranging a call back from the Tutsi Pro team tomorrow, where they would be calling me in a video and would be assisting me about how to use this toolkit, and I have to take the impression in front of them in the video call so that nothing goes wrong. So it is advisable for you to take the impression by arranging a callback from the pro team. So you just simply call the given number, so they will arrange a callback at the preferred slots. So they will call you through video call and would assist you on how to take the impression. So this is the day one where I received the impression kit. Tomorrow I'm going to get a call from the Tutsi Pro team. Once I receive the call, I will be able to assist you with what they have said and how I took the impression. I will be updating everything in a step-by-step manner. At first, I tried to get the Invisalign. Later, I decided to leave the option because of the price range. The price range was said to be around 3 lakhs, which is not affordable by most Indians, and I believe Tucci would be a better replacement for the Invisalign. Let's see the result. I have a bad occlusion with me, and let's see how I'm got cleared of this. Thank you so much.